Hello students, let's start our third chapter, how the state government works. Let's understand the chapter, the working of the government with this one diagram. This is a picture of a legislative assembly where the ministers from all the political parties, from the ruling parties also and from the opposition parties also sitting there, and they can put the questions to the government and government is answerable to these MLAs. Let's start. This is MLA first. First MLA saying that in during last 3 weeks there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea in his constituency. He is willing to know that what the steps taken by the government to control this one situation. Now he is putting the question. It means he is a member of opposition party. This is second MLA. Second MLA is willing to ask the government that why government hospitals are in a bad situation and why the government is not appointing proper doctors and other medical staff in the district. Again he is putting the question. It means he is also the member of opposition party. She is the MLA third. MLA third is saying that in her constituency of Tolbatti there is a very serious shortage of water. Women travel up to 3 to 4 kilometers to collect water. She is willing to know that how many tankers have been put into service to supply water and how many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected. Again she is asking the question. She is the member of the opposition party. MLA4 is saying that the members of MLA4 is saying that these MLAs, these people are overreacting the situation. He is saying that the government have taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service and ORS packets are being distributed. Government is doing everything what is possible to help the people. ORS packets are the oral rehydration solution. These packets are used to prevent the डिहाइड्रेशन बिकॉज ऑफ डायरिया की वजह से जब पानी की कमी हो जाती है तो ये ORS पैकेट्स या ये जो इलेक्ट्रिक पाउडर होता है ये मिक्स करके पानी में घोल के ये दिया जाता है ताकि पानी की कमी या डिहाइड्रेशन ना हो. तो MLA फिफ्थ इज सेइंग दैट वी हैव पुअर फैसिलिटीज़ इन आर हॉस्पिटल्स. So these are the hospitals where there are no medical staff have been appointed from the last few years, and he is willing to ask that how we ensure that ORS packets reach all families in the affected area. Again he is putting the question. So he is the member of the opposition party. From these MLAs only fourth number is the member of the ruling party. Others who put the questions, these are from the members of opposition party. This is MLA6. He is saying that the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. Now MLA6 is saying that जो opposition members हैं वो गवर्नमेंट को अननेसेसरली ब्लेम कर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स ही इज़ द मेंबर ऑफ द रूलिंग पार्टी. तो ही सेइंग दैट द प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट डिडंट पे एनी अटेंशन टू सैनिटेशन. जो पुरानी गवर्नमेंट थी उन्होंने सैनिटेशन के लिए कोई भी स्टेप्स नहीं लिए थे, कोई अटेंशन नहीं दी थी. बट दिस गवर्नमेंट इज़ टेकन अप टू ड्राइव टू क्लियर द गार्बेज एंड हैज़ बीन लाइंग अराउंड द ईयर्स. बोलते हैं कि जो इतने सालों से कूड़ा या इधर उधर पड़ा होता है तो दिस गवर्नमेंट इज़ गोइंग टू डिस्पोज of that one. From this one picture and from these discussions we can know about the working of the government, how the opposition party put the questions and how the members of the ruling party is answering to the questions asked by the opposition party. Only this is not the way through which we can know the working of the government. We can know the working of government from newspapers, from TV channels also. As we know that nowadays we are suffering from whatever the problem corona is there, so we can know the working of the government through newspapers and through TV channels. We are not going to the legislative assemblies and we are not going to the parliament house to know the decision taken by the government. It is through newspapers and it is through TV channels by which we can know about whatever the decisions are being taken to control this one situation. So one more way is to know about the working of government is press conference. Press conference is the group of journalists who were invited to hear about the working of the government, and they can put the questions to the government, and it is expecting that they have to report this on the media through which people can know about this. जो whatever the decisions are taken by the government, तो गवर्नमेंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल करती है जिसमें अलग अलग जो जर्नलिस्ट होते हैं या रिपोर्टर्स होते हैं मीडिया के, उनको इनवाइट किया जाता है और उनको गवर्नमेंट की वर्किंग के बारे में बताया जाता है. दे कैन पुट द क्वेश्चंस टू द गवर्नमेंट आल्सो, और वो जो भी बातें वहाँ पे होती हैं, दे कैन रिपोर्ट इट ऑन देयर टीवी चैनल्स, ऑन देयर न्यूज़पेपर्स, थ्रू विच वन कैन नो अबाउट द वर्किंग ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. जैसे हमें टीवी चैनल से या न्यूज़पेपर से पता चल रहा है कि वट एवर द डिसीजन टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू कंट्रोल द कोरोना सिचुएशन, कब शॉप्स खुलनी है, कब बंद होनी है, व्हाट इज़ द स्टेप्स टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट, द पर्सन्स हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन लाइक दिस, वी कैन नो अबाउट द टीवी चैनल्स एंड थ्रू द न्यूज़पेपर. ये जो हम लास्ट पेज पे जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे प्रॉब्लम, वाटर प्रॉब्लम असेंबली की, तो उसके लिए क्या होता है कि जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर होते हैं, दे कैन कॉल द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड वो उनको बताते हैं कि ऐसे जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ही इज़ गोइंग टू विजिट द मोस्ट इफेक्टेड एरियाज़. तो वो वहाँ पे जाके वो देखेंगे कि किस तरह की प्रॉब्लम है, एंड दे आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग द ORS पैकेट्स, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर आल्सो दैट oral rehydration solution is to be distributed, and water tankers are there to serve the people with the water. For this they can take the help from the public works departments, the agriculture department and the health department like. So this is all about how we can know about the working of the government. In this way we can know about how the state government works. With this we will finish our chapter. Actually a very small topic in your book is given, that is a wallpaper project. A wallpaper is an group activity, you can say, through which the research can be done on a particular topics of interest, as this work will do when the school will reopen. In this project, a class is to be divided into 3-4 groups, and a topic is to be given by the teacher, as I'll give you the topic of corona, and you should collect the pictures from the newspapers, and you can make a collage for that, and with your friends, and you can discuss the problem and how it starts, like, and what are the steps taken by the government to control the situation, what is the role of people to avoid the situation like this. So we'll discuss this one topic after when the school will reopen. Okay, thank you.